Go.
Oh, hi there guys. Pablo with Russ Darrow Mazda here in Madison. I was just busy checking my spare tire here. I mean, being from the south, I know cold weather's right around the corner up here. So I want to make sure my car is ready for winter. So make sure you check your spare tire to see that the air pressure is good and everything's all right, so this tire won't leave you stranded. Likewise, talking about tires, you guys, you want to make sure that you have the proper air pressure in all your tires. Not only do you get proper wear like that, but it'll make sure you're safe and sound in winter driving conditions. You also want to make sure you have the proper tires. Some people run summer tires. Start thinking about switching to your winter tires, or make sure your all-season tires are good to go. And another aspect is, we just finished summer pothole season. So some of you may have some steering wheel shake or some weird noises coming the front because you had potholes all over. Make sure to get those alignment checks done so your alignment is true and ready to go. And then the most important thing of all is going to be your wiper blades. When snow and ice comes down, it's going to affect your visibility. You always want to make sure you have good wiper blades for good vision. So something easy to look at, spray some water on it, and then you go ahead and hit them. If you see any streaking, it's time to replace those wiper blades. Be safe out there. Snow's around the corner. Thank you, guys.